Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chainalysis Reactor to investigate blockchain activity, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Chainalysis website to obtain the latest version of the Reactor software. Locate the download section on the site. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Click the download link to initiate the downloading process. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Chainalysis Reactor installer file. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Review and accept the end-user license agreement when prompted. Choose the installation directory for the software. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation progress bar to complete. Once the installation is finished, you may be prompted to launch Chainalysis Reactor. If not, navigate to the installation directory and locate the Reactor executable file. Double-click the executable to launch the application. Upon launching, you may need to sign in with your Chainalysis account credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Explore the dashboard to understand how to navigate through the features. Begin by importing a blockchain dataset to investigate. Use the import tool to upload your blockchain data files. Adjust any necessary settings for your data import. Once your data is loaded, utilize the search functions to query specific addresses or transactions. Explore the visualization tools provided to see blockchain activity clearly. Take advantage of the various analytical tools available for deeper insights. Utilize the export functions to save your findings or reports. As a new user, consider reviewing the tutorial resources available on the Chainalysis platform. Engage with community forums or support channels for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.